Thanks for stopping by my market report. I am Mike, and this report is about mortgage rates, what affects them and impacts them on a daily basis, and where the trends are. We don't get into so much specifics as actual rates because there's too many loan programs and too many variables that go into that. There's plenty of other places you can go for that. However, this will tell you if the rates are going up or down on any given day, as well as maybe a particular trend that might be going with those. A little bit about myself is I'm a mortgage loan originator. I do work with a national lender. So if you got questions about mortgage rates, you got questions about mortgage programs, looking to refinance or purchase, please feel free to reach out anytime. So without further ado, let's begin our economic report. With the economic report, as if you saw my video yesterday, you know that I was coming in a little late, so my apologies. The market is closed now. Today, due to Good Friday, they closed at 9 o'clock here on the West Coast time. So markets are closed. But today we got the non-farm payrolls. This is from the BLS, or Bureau of Labor Statistics, for the month of March. So last month's February came in at 379,000. However, that was revised upward by nearly 100,000 to 468,000. Now forecasts will count for 647, and a lot of people are even thinking a million here. But it came in very close to 916,000. But if you look at the revision and that, it basically did come in a million. So that's another about a million new jobs that were created that we didn't have from the numbers prior. Now, average work week, this increased. So if you look at in February's numbers, there's 34.6 hours. Forecast was 34.7. It jumped up to 34.9. Now, average work week is usually around the mid 3,400 or 34 range, and so this is actually a very high number here. Let's also take a look at the average earnings per month. So February was revised higher from 0.2% to 0.3% increase month over month, and then for March, it was supposed to forecast calling for a 0.1% increase, and actually it dropped by 0.1%. Last but not least, we got the unemployment rate. So we went from 6.2%, which was forecast calling for 6%, and it came in right at expectations. So there's a lot of whisper numbers. Some people thought it would be down to 5.9. Not quite as aggressive as that, but it did drop pretty close to at 6%. So very good numbers today on the jobs data. Couldn't really ask for a better date in terms of this. Stocks are up. It's all about the jobs data today. So there's really nothing else going on where it's affecting it other than they're taking a cue from the jobs report today. So as you may know, mortgage-backed securities and stocks will compete for dollars. With stocks being up, some of those dollars left the bond market going into the stock market. And we had a pretty good day yesterday. We did close upwards, but so far today we did end up closing down 16 basis points, which we lost some of the gains we had acquired yesterday. So that basically what that means is we lowers pricing today. So you may see about an eighth of a percent in the rate changed on that. Let's take a look at the yields, and yields were up a little bit higher. They was touching the 1.73-ish range, and they actually settled in at 1.71. So again, this one did the same thing. We're started from way down here. We're kind of declining down to 1.67-ish, and end up closing upwards to 171. All right, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and also keep note, as I mentioned yesterday, I will be out all next week, so I won't have any reports for you next week. So I'll return the following week and get those reports back out to you. I'll be on vacation next week, so unfortunately, I won't be able to create those reports for you guys next week. All right, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you when I get back. Take care. Bye-bye.